guys, so this is my Valentine's Day makeup look using the amazing Physicians Formula Rose All Play eyeshadow palette. The perfect eyeshadow palette for Valentine's Day. Also, these eyeshadows are great quality and they blend beautifully. This palette has the most perfect, beautiful matte and shimmer shades, neutrals, pinks, and purples. So you can wear everyday eyeshadow looks with this palette because there are neutrals, but the rosé colors, the purple tones, the pink tones are absolutely beautiful. These shimmers are beautiful when applied wet. They have like hints of a glitter in them. The mattes are beautiful. Some of these are satins and some of them have a little shimmer in them. Also, they have a printed rose impressed in the shadow. This eyeshadow palette is $17.99 and is amazing quality. And on the back of the palette is all the names. It is magnetic. This is like a purpley pink toned makeup look. To emphasize the shimmer shade, I applied it wet, sprayed it with some pretty fresh ColourPop setting spray. Then I topped it off with the Milani Hypnotic Lights eyeshadow topper in the shade Starlight 04. It's like a rainbow hint of glitter with more of a pink tone. It is absolutely beautiful. It applies wet and dries dry, and it's just like, it feels like there's nothing on my eyelid. Like, it's so glittery and sparkly, but it just feels like you're not wearing a heavy glitter. The Milani Eyetopper is really similar to the Stila liquid eyeshadow glitters, but this is only $12.99 and they dry beautifully. First, I'm going to prime my eyelid with the P. Louise eyeshadow base in shade 2. The eyeshadow base wet, I'm going to pack on the shade Last Call, and pack that on into the crease area. I'm going to take the shade Super Bloom on a small blending brush. And then back in with that small blending. And then going in with Pinkies Out. I'm just gonna blend the edges out. I'm gonna cut my crease with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. Go back in with the shade Super Bloom on a small blending brush. The Morphe M507. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Yes Way Rose. I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Starlight Eyetopper. I'm gonna take the shade Super Bloom and blend that on my bottom eyelid. And on a flatter brush, this is the Morphe GH43. I'm gonna take the shade Last Call and tap that on the outside. Gonna highlight my inner corner with some Daylight Revlon or Daybreak Revlon highlighter. Just gonna put on some mascara and then some black eyeliner on my bottom waterline. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.